Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. So as you can see, I got my little 4-child Poe with me, and today we're going to be opening up my Techtonics exhaust box. So as you guys may or may not know, right now the Pizza Planet truck Beatrix, she's still catted, but she's completely straight piped. She's completely straight piped out. I'll put a link to that video somewhere around here, which, as you can hear in that video, sorry, Poe kind of knocked the tripod though. So as you can hear in that video, it sounds great at idle, sounds fantastic at low speeds, but once you really get up there, it starts sounding like crap, which I could remedy that in terms of a resonator, but considering that the stock piping is only about, about 1 inch and 3/4, 1 inch and 5/8. So because it's really thin, I figured I might as well just replace the whole damn thing. So that's where this comes in. So let's open it up. Poe knocked the tripod a little bit, so let me go ahead and refocus you guys. Alright. Let's open this up. Scoot. So, first things first, we got we got the muffler here, which, as you can read, is a Borla Muffler. So, like I was saying, the piping that's on the truck right now is 1 3/4 or 1 5/8. This, I'm upgrading it to a 2 1/4, which I know doesn't really seem like a lot, but considering the truck still has its 1.7 in it, it's actually pretty perfect. So here's the Borla. As you can see, it's your typical oval muffler. So so I might use this. Actually, what I'm probably gonna do is that when I install it, I'll actually test, because as you guys know, I actually put a muffler on the truck for a short while, but then I took it off because it actually muffled it too much. So the muffler that I put on there was actually was a 2 1/4 inch 2 1/4 inch glass pack, but because it was going into the 1 inch piping, it kind of muffled it a little bit too much. So I'll see. I'll test both of these, both this and the MagnaFlow, see if those sound different. So if I should just go ahead and just put a resonator and straight pipe it again. So that's that. We got some of the piping, which, as you can see, some nice bends. You don't really see a lot of deformation or anything on it. Real quality exhaust. So if you're looking for an exhaust for your classic Volkswagen, or just your Volkswagen Audi in general, Techtonics, or one of the best. So here, I think these are the clamps and stuff. Poe's over here sniffing everything. What do you think, Poe? Smell that quality? Alright, yeah, so here we have the exhaust hangers. Clamps. Got the hangers. Got the collector. Which this actually, yeah, this is pretty important because I'm gonna need this for that downpipe I got, which, oh, please tell me I got that on camera. So yeah, so I also got, yeah, so I'm thinking this is the collector, yeah. So, these two things are going to be really important because I'm not sure if I actually put it in a video or not, but I actually got, that's one of the reasons why I decided to get a Techtonics exhaust, in addition to the fact that the truck sounds like crap at high speeds. I actually found an old, not a heddle, an old downpipe from them, so that's what I'm going to be doing here, is putting that on. Looks like Poe wants out, so thank you for joining us. You can leave. Go ahead. Then I'll just leave the door cracked in case he wants to come back in, but... So yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, I found an old Techtonics downpipe on Facebook, so figured if I have the downpipe, might as well upgrade this as well. So from the, I believe it's from the heddles, because I think that's why I didn't want to get the heddles, aside from the fact that I don't want to have to go to my cat, but... What was I saying? Oh yeah, so the downpipe, it's so it goes from the factory, so it goes from the factory 2-to-1 collector, and it goes to, I believe they said it's a 2 and a 2.5 inch, 2 and a quarter, but yeah, it's essentially again going from a very thin 1 inch and something pipe to a 2 inch, so that's a massive upgrade. And it's loosely based off of the Euro GTI downpipe, so apparently it's gonna help with low and mid range, which is all that truck has. So, so here we got some old piping. Again, you guys can see the quality on this. Take the end off of one of them. You can see very clean cuts. Very little, if any, deformation on the pipe. So I'm guessing this is the... yeah, I think this is the section that comes down, maybe? This is the section right... Yeah, I think this is the actual tailpipe section. So this is the pulp that... This is the section that gives most truck owners an issue, because that's one of the reasons why. So, okay, I'm not sure if I ever if I ever said this in any other videos, but the exhaust that's on the Jetta right now was supposed to go in the truck. But the reason why it didn't was because the truck has this like wheel bend in it, where it goes over the axle and then back down, which I think that's what this section is. I have to look at the rest of the pipes and put it together, but I think that's what this is, where it goes underneath, not the axle, but it goes underneath the leaf spring instead of over it, so we'll see. Stopping, and here's the last pipe, so this is the resonator end. Sorry, yeah, this is the front half of it. So give you guys a chance to look at the welds on this thing. This is the resonator section, which I'll throw this on just to see. Yeah, I'll throw this on and install it just to see how it sounds with a resonator. So I'll put all of it together. Yeah, so I'll put all of it together except for that muffler section. I'll just put a flex pipe or something on it in the meantime, so you guys can. So yeah, so when I do shoot a new exhaust video for the truck, you guys can see that you guys can hear the different sound clips. So again, nice resonator section. You guys can take a look at the welds here. They'll look pretty solid. A little bit gummier than I'm used to seeing on other exhausts, but it's probably because you can tell that this was hand welded and opposed to machine welded. Focus it a little bit here. There we go. So yeah, that's my Techtonics exhaust system. Let me go ahead and drag everything into frame here. Want me to leave you now? Okay. He was like, "Hey, you took everything out, now I can get in." So, yep, that's everything that came in the box. So the back half, front half, all the clamps and angles you can possibly need, downpipe connector, downpipe gasket, the muffler itself, and the mid half. So this is also something that I need to fix on the truck anyway, because when the exhaust hanger broke off on the stock one, this rubbed itself down. So yeah, and that's that. So hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you guys want to see more, go ahead and subscribe to me. Yeah, subscribe to obviously the Modified Alliance crew if you want to see more of Poe. He also has his own Instagram now. I'll put all of that in the description, or I'll put it somewhere. I'll put it somewhere in this video, but yeah, that's that. So thanks again for watching. Alright, so I was moving that into the garage, and then I realized I should probably just show it to you guys. So this is the Techtonics downpipe I was talking about, and then that's the glass pack that was on the truck until it fell off. So yeah, so this is the Techtonics downpipe. Yeah, it is a little bit worse for wear, but sat in the dude's garage for 2 years, and then the guy that he bought it from sat in his storage unit for 10, 15, however many years. So yeah, although it is a little bit worse for wear, you can see all the welds and everything is still intact. So yeah, I mean, I do plan on painting this thing, putting some exhaust wrap on it. So in addition to that end, I might have to chop it a little bit. So you know, it's alright, we'll see. And then, like I said, this is the glass pack that was on the truck. So I'll see. I'll cut the factory adapters off, and I'll see how it works with what's already in there. So yeah, look forward to that video, and that's pretty much it for this video. Alright, see you guys in the next one.